channel. If I sound a little weird, it's because I'm sick. So I got inspired by Melanie Martinez from her K-12 music video or film, however you want to say it. And so I got inspired by that, and yeah, we'll be doing like a piece of cake, strawberry shortcake to be more in detail. And so yeah, so I'm gonna do my face real quick and I'll be back. So I'm back. We're gonna go into blood sugar. We're gonna be using the M441. We're gonna be using cherry soda and tongue pop. We're gonna go into blood or blue blood, and we're gonna go in with a M433 in Untouchable. Now we're just gonna blend Untouchable. And then we're just gonna take the Jeffrey Morphe collab in JS6. I'll be going into this color. And then for down here, we're gonna go into a little bit of Cavity and Tongue Pop. Now we're gonna do the other eye off camera, and we'll be back with liner and lashes. So I'll be right back. Stop singing. So we're back. So I'm gonna do this doll look probably Saturday or Sunday, I don't know, but I'm trying to wait for these lashes that I got, because like I wanted some like big lashes, but I don't know how they're gonna be because I bought them off of Wish. So we'll see how they look, so I can have like bigger lashes for like the doll look. But I will show how I did these, and you know. So yeah, so we're gonna go back into the blood sugar palette. We're gonna take this brush and we're gonna go into Tongue Pop and a little bit of Cavity. We're just gonna take Tongue Pop for the cheeks. So now I'll be taking the M250-1 and the Anastasia lip palette. We're gonna be taking the white, and we're gonna outline like the chunk. Well, let's do the cake first. Okay, so we're gonna be taking the Deuce by Juvia's. We're gonna be taking this shade. We're gonna be packing in the shade. Maybe not with this brush. Get like this type of brush. And then we're gonna go into the blood sugar palette, and we're gonna go into cherry soda and tongue pop, and we'll give it some shading. And then we're gonna go back into the Juvia's. And then concealer. And we're gonna be doing the cream. And then we're going to be taking a bit of the Infallible Pro Matte Liquid Lipstick from L'Oreal from Cocoa Caramel 822, or it's 822, I don't know if it's Cocoa Caramel, I don't know. Can't fucking read. We're going to be mixing that with some white. We're going to be doing little dots in the cake. We're gonna put a little bit of Weirdo just so we can darken up the cream. That's how I'm gonna do the other side, and I'm gonna do the other side off camera, so I'll be back. So I'm back. I'm done with that, and now we're gonna go into the Anastasia palette, and we're gonna be just taking this light color and putting like light freckles. And we can like mix it with a little bit of white. And then we can take a little red. And then we can take a little bit of that color and a little bit of red. And then we'll take the lipstick we were using earlier. And whatever we have left of the light pink. And then we're just gonna highlight our nose real quick. So that's the end of the look. Hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to leave a like, comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe. And I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.
The boys wanna taste of the strawberry shortcake. That's not bad, that's not bad. No one's off and on to grab. Now the boys wanna taste of the strawberry shortcake.